Big fields, no shelter from the rain. And when it stops, you're blinded by dust again. Under this Celtic sky, where Roman treasures lie, let's walk these fields again.
Good mornings! Today we are at a Detective Nation weekender, so
some questionable folk about
there
it.
is that, yeah. I mean, up with Jason there and Marcus.
Two gentlemen.
Anyway guys, we've got an awful lot to play with today. Behind us, we're pretty much as far as the eye can see.
It's beautiful,
So, and not many people have been on these fields, so we've been told. So, we're going to be the first ones to find something good, I think. So, we'll see you at the first one.
Rick! 1819, mate.
Oh, it sounds good.
It does sound nice, but you know what my fear is, don't you?
A moo tube.
Moo tube.
There is cows up on the hill there, isn't there?
We'll get a digger. First old banger.
First old banger for Rick.
It's not going deep, that foul. Oh, super dry, mate. Let's try and leave it attached. Oh, look at that, mate. Look how dry it is.
You'd have thought with all the rain we had last week. Obviously this field didn't get none. I reckon you're out, mate.
Shall we have a look, see?
I'd say so. There you are, you see. Zooming in.
Let's get that lot back in there.
Mm.
A bit of housekeeping, tidy that up, look.
Oh, it's not very deep, is it?
It's not very deep, pal, no.
Oh, mate. Called it.
I did, didn't I?
Called it.
Look at that, pal.
Beautiful.
I hope that's the last one of the day. Right, mate, what we got?
We have got a nice 13-14. Now we always say this, a 13 we've had hammers on that.
We have that. What you say, close at surface?
Yeah,
what depth?
so deep. Three spades down, but small.
Yeah.
Sounds small. So we'll not know until we dig it.
Absolutely. This weather is glorious, isn't it?
It is beautiful. It's a bit warm, to be fair.
It is, yeah. But we ain't going to complain, are we?
No, not at all.
Plenty of water.
Yep. Oh.
Very nice.
Oh, what have I got here?
Can I
First spoon.
give over?
Come on in.
Zooming in. Oh, part of a spoon handle. Look at
Has
that.
it got like a little fake? It has. Look, it's got a fake hallmark on it.
Has it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, brilliant. Let me have a close up of that, please,
Let
mate.
me just pick my pointer in and see if there's anything else in there. I reckon the
Oh.
other half might be in it.
Even that dodgy pointer of yours is going mad.
That means nothing, this thing.
No, it doesn't, no.
2 hours later.
Oh, we could just swing the...
Yeah, let's move that out at road and get
Can we
you...
just swing the detector over? No.
You're
there's
talking
nothing
rubbish,
else,
aren't we? We're just wishful thinking, innit, mate? Eh? Pal, what we got? That sounds nice.
Sounds surfacey. 21 solid, 2 down.
Lovely tone is that, though.
Yep, we'll dig it.
Yeah, dig.
See what we got. What do you reckon?
I'm going positive. I'm going to say a chunk of silver here on this.
I'm going to say
I know you're going to say foil because you're forever pessimist, aren't you?
foil. No, I was just going to say a bit of brass or
A
something.
bit of alley.
Right, let's just...
Right. He's
Right,
out,
see.
so it is quite
We're
close
out.
to surface there, look.
Not very deep. Whatever we are,
Right
we're
there.
there. Yeah, we're pretty much on the surface there though. What we got?
That's it, you scratch around in that earth, mate.
Yep. Oh man. Not gonna be so clever, is it? That,
No.
Ah, yeah, bugger. Yeah,
Oh, mate.
the good stuff, mate.
What is it?
I don't know. Bit of cam.
Oh, you're right, yeah, it is a touch of can.
All peculiar.
No, something limited on there, look.
Wow.
It says something limited on there.
Something like that. Or litre.
Ah, well.
On the treasure.
First bit of somewhat, mate.
It is there. You've got himself a little coin.
Go on, I'll let you give it a wipe
No, I'll
off.
let
Look,
you
it's
do
all
it.
stuck
You
to
got
it.
your
Look.
nice gloves on.
I always wear gloves. I'm not a baddie like you. Oh. There's going to be some on. Oh, it's an burning half.
Yeah, that's in great nick, is that, mate? They're normally really toasted.
There's a bit of. Have I got any water on me?
I got water.
There we go, look.
Yeah, but his water smells of
Lavender.
lavender. Yeah.
Angels, yeah, that's right, mate.
Oh,
yeah.
very nice, mate. Yeah. Now we can't see no on it.
It's alright, I'm going to wipe it dry. There you go, sir. Give that a wipe off. Nice harp on the back there, huh?
You can just see it now. You wet it. It would probably
We'll
be
get a
better.
blow, look.
Put it back in soil. You see that worm thing there? Look. I wouldn't dare go like that. That's it, all over. Like, you can just make that thing a bit better now. Yeah, that's pretty good nick, that. I bet that. Clean up well.
It will, that, mate.
Very good. Very nice.
Top of that, cause you could, thank you.
What have we got, Rick?
16, 17, mate. 4 shovels.
Very nice.
Somewhere about there. We'll get a dig, eh?
Get a dig.
Tell you what, mate. It's getting a bit warm.
It is that.
I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining.
Nope.
No way. It's lovely, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Now, I want some sort of spoon artifact because there's 2 out of us that have found it so far today that's on this field, isn't there?
Yeah, we've had a couple of spoons up.
Yeah, you've had a bit, haven't you, Jason? You've had a bit.
I think you might have missed that, mate.
Went in with this thing here.
Alright. Oh no, you're straight on it. Spot on it, are you?
It's deep, is that, pal?
It is deep. Oh yeah.
Deeper than I
Could be
thought.
something nice, that, mate. Could
Right
be
there, look.
something good.
Oh.
Be careful, is that it there? Oh, it's stone, that, mate.
Stone, buddy.
Oh, Blackadder digger just quarried through that. Zoom in a bit and see if we can get a bit. Oh, we're out.
Wait, what
Is that? Yeah. Is it a bit of lead?
What is that, mate? See, that's a chunk of it as well.
Yeah, it's lead, isn't it? Oh yeah, it's heavy, that,
Yeah.
mate. Oh, it was a weight, were it? I think
No.
you snapped the end off it. I reckon it was, you know.
I think it's one of them insets into, you know, when
Oh,
it's into
yeah,
a
quite
fence
likely, yeah.
or a stone wall, sorry.
Yeah,
That
probably.
you'd set, you know, it's a bit of molten lead
yeah,
that way, innit?
yeah.
Oh well, there's depth for that though, wasn't it? Eh?
What we got, Rick?
Listen to that for a banger, pal.
Sounds well, that, mate.
21-22 on this
Oh,
hill
yeah.
side. 4 shovels, mate. And if it seems small on the old pinpointer function.
All right.
So let's see, let's dig this way and then we'll see if we can flap it downhill, eh?
Yeah, man. Oh, bum shot.
Oh, I tell you, mate. Sure, I've said it already in the vid, it's warm. Oh, warm and dry.
Are we in? Still in the hole. Still out the hole.
Right, we're out.
Zooming in.
We're out. Please be something nice.
What's that there?
I don't want trash, buddy. Is that it?
Yeah, it's a lid.
What is that?
It's a bit of a lid top. I'd check in there. There might be a hoard, you know. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Nah, give over, I think.
Oh.
No, it's pinpointed being daft.
Oh. That's alright, isn't it?
That's, oh,
Oh, yeah.
that's something a bit different, isn't it?
Mm. Yeah. Yeah, we like that. Little nipple on end there.
Something a little bit different, my friend.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you very much. Mate, what we got there?
A lovely sounding 16.
Very good.
I don't know. We'll dig it.
Mike's mound's a lot bigger this week, isn't it? I mean, look, we're at the top of his hill here. Beautiful. Look at that sky.
It's nice out.
It's stunning, mate.
Wow. The half ginger of me is going to be
Frazzled.
bent.
Yeah. That means he'll be grumpy later. Because he'll be sore.
Oh. Right, are we in or out? Still in the hole. It's a good sign.
It is that. Pinpointing our dooms on it straight away as well, look.
As well.
Zooming in.
Yeah, a little bit scoopy.
Scooper, scooper.
Is that it? What I just smacked?
No, I think it was a stone you hit there, mate.
I think that's it. Oh, is that it? Nope.
That was the stone you whacked.
Ah, I see. What's this here? Nope. I bet you it's... Oh, is that it? Nope. It's definitely in there. So I'll
that,
get
mate.
another scoop of that.
Do you want my hand digger?
No, no, no. We're just going a bit deeper with it.
I'll be gentle then. Oh,
What do you reckon?
nice,
Are we at
nice technique that, mate.
Yeah. Just look. Lifted that big thing out. There it is.
What you got,
It's a
buddy?
little buckle.
Oh, yes.
A nice little bouquet. Not sure of its age, but
Well, I'll tell you what, mate, that's lovely, is that?
it's nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, well done, pal.
Yeah,
Lovely job.
Hi Rick, what we got?
We have got a 23-24, mate.
23-24.
Quite surfacey that, mate, but it's a nice clear tone. However, I am expecting it to be a hunk of aluminium of some description. What do you reckon?
No, not quite aluminium. I think a bit of cable.
Is it, or a bit of copper pipe, or
No, I reckon a bit of cable.
a bit of cable?
Hmm.
Oh, I tell you what, it's a bit stony what they are, mate. I'm not going to take any more out because I think it's in that clod.
Oh yeah, we're out. Zooming in. Straight on it. Oh, straight on. Good stuff, mate.
That's
Kind of still. Oh no, it's not. It's big, big toothpaste one.
That.
It's a giant.
I hadn't had
moo
one of
tube.
them. No wonder it was so high a tone. Look at that.
That is amazing.
Beautiful that. Thank you very much.
Hi Rick, what we got?
We've got a sunny 21, mate.
A
sunny
belting
21.
sounding 21, mate.
Yeah, 2 shovels down. So
Yep.
don't think it's too deep at all, really.
No, it's, well, mind you, I think this is like, it's obviously been,
It's been turned over. Hasn't
yeah, it has on it.
it? Turned over and reseeded
Yeah,
a number of times.
yeah. I just found foil there about 6 inches down, so
Oh look, mate, there you go.
what is it?
I'll put that.
On good
back
stuff.
in there, have a good look at that.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, well.
Oh well, can't win them all. Oh look, it's got better. It's not just foil. That was
Oh,
Tube
it's
lid on
a
end.
mood
There
of
we go.
tube. What we got, Rick? Again.
jumpy 26-27, mate.
26-27.
Yeah.
Well, I tell you what, that breeze is a very welcoming,
It is that, innit?
welcoming,
Oh,
welcoming.
look at that.
It's a pleasure to have that breeze.
Right on a rock there, Mike.
Right on a rock.
And we're coming down this way.
Yeah, for a cheeky bum shot.
Because of that.
Hey, oh, look at that, somebody slapped it. Look at handprint on it. Alright. Come on now. Come on now.
Behave. Hey? Come on.
Come on now. Still in oil.
Make a bit more out, I think.
5 hours later.
The scooper.
Apparently they've had 3 hordes out of these neighbouring fields over the last year or so. So there is every chance.
Don't be saying those sort of words to me, mate.
Oh yeah.
Don't know how to contain my excitement.
Whiskey. deep enough for a pot of treasure, mate. It's also deep enough for a nice bit of iron.
Yeah. Getting into slightly moister soil now, mate.
Look at that root from a dandelion.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You have a.
Come on, a bit more.
Oh, it's so
Oh, is that it?
difficult to eat. To dig.
So, yeah, that's it there, isn't it? Lead. Big slab of Uncle Ed.
I don't want to do it anymore.
To the next. What we got, Rick?
27.28, mate.
Nice.
Nice tone, that, isn't it?
Nice tone.
And that is maximum depthius.
Maximum depthius.
So get a dig.
Mm-hmm.
I'm hoping for something absolutely fabulous. Then I'm ready for a drink of water, I think, Bob.
Oh yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah, I say yeah.
I say aye.
Aye. Parched.
Parched like this ground.
Aye. Come on now, what you got?
Oh, I'm emptying that out because it was said maximum depthius and
Still in oil?
that's even clearer. That's gone up to 33, mate.
Yes. Oh, you're slightly off there in the side, aren't you, I reckon?
Well,
We don't know.
nah.
I'll take a bit out. Going in with a new Blackadder pokey tool.
I'm that. So
Is that it? Is that it?
Are you looking
I don't know, is there a bit of red there? No, it's not. It's a
Yeah,
coin.
coin.
Silver. Silver, mate.
What
Silver.
did I say to you?
It's silver. Go on, mate, what we got? Is it a big old shilling or something? Oh, you belter.
Mate, what is that?
Well, it's George, isn't it?
George III?
I don't know what that is. I've never seen one like that. Token?
That's a bank token.
1812?
Yes, mate. No way. How gorgeous is that?
Mate, I'm jelly as now, I tell you.
I told you that was silver before we dug it, didn't I?
No way.
I've never found one of them.
Well done, mate. Well done.
Mate, I am absolutely.
No way.
How
Well
much
done, mate. To the next.
Thank you.
Right, there we are. These are my finds for the day. So, probably my best finds are my 2 old pound coins and my few buckles that I found. Absolute ton of aluminium rubbish, bits and pieces, and you know, we dug about 1,000 holes each today. It's been crazy. Right, we'll go over and see what Rick got.
Right, buddy. Some chunks of iron.
I think. Oh, I found a bit of that as well.
A claspy,
Yeah,
twisty, tightly
yeah.
thingy. Some moo tubes.
Yep.
Couple of little shotty ends here, look. This is the lead section. All different shapes and
It's a very
sizes.
nice lead section.
Horrible foil covered plastic. Aerosol can. Pill popper. Maca moo tuber thingy. More bits of cackadoodle. That's a little penknife, look. I thought it was just a bit of iron when I first dug it like that, but penknife, yep. Some sort of
Lid
top jobby.
thingy.
Yep.
majiggy.
And just a load of rubbish, mate.
And then
Got King Dave here, haven't we? Look at this. Can you see its shield just started
Yeah,
to
you
come
can,
out on
yeah,
that
yeah.
one? I'll keep it in like there. You can
keep
see
it
it.
in the
Look,
light,
that's
we get
it.
good focus there.
And then we've got a George II,
Yep.
Charles II, little
Yep.
belter that's
You
going
did
out.
all right, you for coins today.
An old button is. I'll just turn that over. You can just see shank poking through there. Look, look. So that's old, isn't it?
Yep.
And then the absolute pièce de résistance. Look at that. Eh?
Belt of that. Spin around.
I don't think
Yeah.
I'll ever find one of them again because they seem to be quite rare from what I've researched. But
Excellent.
beautiful, that, isn't it, mate?
Yeah. So that is the end of a day 1. And we've got it all again to do tomorrow.
And we're frazzled, aren't we?
Yep.
Colour
I am
in my cheeks.
pretty tired. It's been a long day, and well, we've been out pretty much all day with Jason and Marcus.
Yeah, they're about some.
They're just right down the bottom of the field, still at it. That's too much for us.
Yeah, too bad.
So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week with probably Sunday's dig.
Yes, now.